Hi there, thank you for watching my videos. And this is ad account from my client where I'm managing a lot of ads for client. You can see a lot of budget and a lot of client event to show you result. Running some campaign, some for followers and few one for conversions. A lot of campaign goal has been added, and you can see a lot of conversation I have got from this campaign. If I want to show you some of them, let me show you. This was a campaign for uh, here is the outlook. You can see the preview from here. This was the campaign. Okay, campaign preview. And if you want, I can show you other also. So if I want to show you another campaign, let me show you this one. Okay, um, let me show you this one. Here is chart. Okay, here you can see per messaging conversion rate was only 8 cent, and of a lot of conversation has been started, and you can see the right audience, only female, has the most potential. Okay, so this is how we can find out the best result, that which one was the best. So if I want to show you this one creatives, let me show you. Here is the creatives. You can see here is the creatives here. And if you want to get more result, you must need to make a good ad creative first. Okay. So this is how we are generating a lot of result from the campaign for client. Okay, I have worked almost all over the world, 120 plus countries client all over the world, and I'm working on this field almost 7 plus years. So I know how to bring the result. So if you have any inquiries, just feel free to text me. Okay, I will definitely help you. Thank you.